And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest from the 30 Minute Sisters. We have the SISW00 Marical. Yes, so this is, as you can see in the box art, it's a 30-minute sister that looks like a mage type, wherein, her staff has cat ears and she has a spell book. Yep. And then off to the side, and what we can see is here it is, Marical, or see some different facial expressions. Here it is with her hat on, some poses that you can do with her, and of course some actions that you can do with her. And off to the other side, here it is, wherein you can customize Marical by combining with something with the 30-minute sisters. Again, this is the Valkyrie costume, which released at the same time with her, I guess, with the 30 minutes missions. I'm just not sure which unit is this one, and of course with the 30 minutes fantasy. Now opening up and seeing what's inside the box. Here it is. We have the face parts. We have one bag with two sprues, runners, white, and some sand color. Another bag with white and black. One more bag with the flash stones, a multicolored sprue, a runner, and then the all back. And lastly, here it is. We have the instruction manual. Wherein, yep, here it is. 30-minute Sisters Marical. What she is, the action poses that you can do with her, and of course, again, just the same as in the box is how you can customize her. Oh, yep, customizing with 30-minute Sisters here with the Valkyrie. Oh, I think it's the Acroby. Yep. Combined with this one, and of course, 30 minutes fantasy with the Frozen Knight. Right. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Right. So first off is we have the 8 sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some reds, we have some dark tan, we have some white, and some clear parts, clear green in this case. And we have a B sprue, which is all black. The C sprue is all white. B sprue brings back those tan colors. And then we have the E sprue, which is going back to black. We see the hat there. And of course, we have the F sprue going back to the white color. And here we have the hair parts. And of course, lastly, we have here the multi-part face parts. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the latest 30 Minutes Sisters SISW00 Marical Color C, which again, as you can see, is look like a magical curl. This is the 21st of the 30 Minutes Sisters line. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.